Aktas from Sri Lanka.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh. Last night we had a pre-calculation, right?
Come again?
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaikum salam.
Sheikh, you know that nobody is coming to save you from your problem, even if you're talking calamity.
Akhi, I cannot understand a word of what you're saying.
Can you hear me?
I hear you, but I cannot understand what you're saying. So speak slowly and try to be a little bit more comprehensible.
Yeah, like like nobody is coming to save you from your problem, even if you're talking calamity or having some social delay or thinking delay. Like no one is accountable for your flaws and shortcomings. He only responsible for looking after himself. So why did Allah not install a building mechanism additional part in the brain that stores a person's real self and ideal self decision, check whether they are congruent, then make it...
Aktash, I do not understand what you're saying. You're saying nobody comes to help me when I have calamities and problems, correct?
Yes, but why Allah not creating a building system in the brain that not detecting real and ideal self incongruent with...
Wallahi, I don't understand what you're saying, but what I can understand is that you're objecting why Allah did not do this or do that. And this is not something a Muslim asks. Because I can counter this by saying, why Allah did not throw you in hell without making you live? Can anybody complain or object? He created you from nothing. And He gave you life. He gave you the ability to breathe, to eat, to drink, to live, to mate, to work, to walk on your 2 feet, to see. All of this is a gift from Allah. In exchange of what? You don't deserve anything. So if Allah takes you and throws you in hell, nobody can object. The United Nations is not going to do anything. Allah will throw them in hell as well. So what are you objecting to? He is the creator of the heavens and the earth. You and I do not have any authority, any right to come and object. Why didn't Allah create a third hand for us so that when we eat the sandwich we can drink as well? Why didn't Allah put this and put that? Why didn't Allah give me more money? Why didn't Allah Azza wa Jal create this? Nobody has the right to ask such questions. Allah says in Surah Al-Anbiya, لا يسأل عما يفعل وهم يسألون. He, the Almighty, is not questioned or held accountable for what He does. Everyone else in this universe is. So only Allah has the power and the authority to question and hold people accountable, but nobody has that with Allah. So if you're a Muslim, you have to review your Islam, because definitely with such an attitude, this is not worshipping Allah, and you're not submitting your will to Allah, and you may be objecting to the divine decree of Allah, and that is not very healthy.